Logarithms. So it is very important topic with respect to physics. While doing physics numericals, we can solve the big numericals by using logarithmic applications. Using logarithmic applications, we can solve the numericals. So suppose a power x is equal to n. So what is a, what is x, what is n? So here n and a are positive real numbers and x is any real number. X is any real number. Okay, means whether it is positive or 0 or negative. Now see, n as subject. Subject means the variable which is in LHS. So n as subject. N is equal to a to the power of x. Suppose if you want to make a as subject. If you want to make a as subject. So a power x is equal to n. Then a power x whole to the power of 1 by x is equal to n to the power of 1 by x, means by taking whole power 1 by x in both LHS and RHS, powers risen to 1 by x in both LHS and RHS. Then a is equal to n power 1 by x. Now if you want to make x as subject, so how we can make? So in this particular case, while making x as subject, we have to introduce the word logarithm. We have to introduce the word logarithm. So x is logarithm of n to the base a, where a not equal to 1 and a comma n belongs to r plus positive real numbers. Already we mentioned that point. A comma n are positive real numbers. A comma n are positive real numbers. X is any real number. X is any real number. So while making n as subject, n is equal to a power x. While making a as subject, a is equal to n power 1 by x. While making x as subject, we have to introduce the word logarithm. So we'll see some examples here. 2 power 5 is equal to 32. It is a exponential form. So 5 is equal to log 32 base 2. 3 power 4 is equal to 81. Then 4 is equal to log 81 base 3. 10 power minus 3 is equal to 0.001. Then minus 3 is equal to log 0.001 base 10. 1 by 2 or 1 by 4 whole power 5 is equal to 1 by 1024. Then 5 is equal to log 1 by 1024 base 1 by 4. So like that, if exponential form is given, we can convert into a logarithmic form, or logarithmic form is given, we can convert into exponential form. Exponential form into logarithmic form into exponential form. Suppose log 343 base 7 is equal to 3. Then what is its logarithmic form? 343 is equal to 7 power 3. Log 125 base 25 is equal to 3 by 2. Then what is its logarithmic form? 125 is equal to 25 power 3 by 2. Log 0.000 0027 base 0.03 is equal to 3. Then what is its logarithmic form? 0.000027 is equal to 0.03 whole power 3. So if logarithmic form is given, we can convert into exponential form. If exponential form is given, we can convert into logarithmic form. That is the introduction and the definition of logarithm. Logarithm of a number n base a is x, while making x as subject in the exponential form a power x is equal to n. So that is the definition of logarithm. Let's go through it. In a power x, while making x as subject, we have to introduce the word logarithm. X is called logarithm of, it is written as x is equal to log n to base a. X is equal to log n to base a. Now we know some laws of exponents. So we know that laws of exponents. A to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. A to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus 1 where m greater than n, or 1 by a to the power of n minus m where m less than n, and a to the power of m whole to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m times of n. A to the power of m by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m by b to the power of m is equal to a by b whole to the power of m. A to the power of m times of b to the power of m times is equal to a times of b power risen to m multiplied itself m times means. So these are the laws of exponents. So by taking laws of exponents, we have to derive the logarithmic log mn base a is equal to log m base a plus log n base a. So how we have to derive this? Once go through here. First result. So let log mn base a is equal to x. What is its exponential form? In the place of n, we have mn is equal to a power x. Log m base a is equal to y, then m is equal to a to the power of y. Log n base a is equal to z, then n is equal to a to the power of z. Now consider a to the power of x is equal to m times of n. What is m? A to the power of y into a to the power of z, that is a to the power of y plus z, a to the power of y plus z. So a to the power of x is equal to a to the power of y plus z. Here bases are equal, so we can equate exponents. So x is equal to y plus z. So what is our consideration? X. Log mn base a is equal to log m base a minus log n base a. That is the first result. Now we will see second result. Log m upon n base a is equal to log m base a minus log n base a. So how we have to derive this? You will see the proof. Log m upon n base a is equal to x, then m by n is equal to a to the power of x, then log m base a is equal to y, then m is equal to a to the power of y, log n base a is equal to z, then n is equal to a to the power of z, then a to the power of x is equal to m by n. In the place of m we can consider a to the power of y, and in the place of n we can consider a to the power of z. That is by taking loss of exponents, it is a to the power of y minus z. So therefore a to the power of x is equal to a to the power of y minus z, then x is equal to y minus z. Okay, x is equal to y minus z. So what is x? Log m by n base a is equal to log m base a minus log n base a. That is second law whose derivation is given. Now third one is log a base b is equal to log a base c times of log c base d base b. Log a base b is equal to log a base c times of log c base b. So let log a base b is equal to x, its exponential form. A is equal to b to the power of x, and log a base c is equal to y, then a is equal to c to the power of y, log c base b is equal to z, then c is equal to b to the power of z. Now consider b to the power of x is equal to a. So let it be first equation, it is second equation, it is third equation. Since first equation b to the power of x is equal to a, but you know what is a? C to the power of y since the second equation. So b to the power of x is equal to c to the power of y is equal to, in the place of c what we can replace? B to the power of z. B to the power of z whole to the power of y. So b to the power of x is equal to b to the power of yz. Okay, bases equal, so we can equate exponents. So x is equal to yz. Therefore what is x? Log a base b is equal to log a base c times of log c base b. Just we can reshuffle that formula, that particular formula also can be written as log a base c is equal to log a base b by log c base b. So go through this formula. Log a base c is equal to log a base b by log b base c, and also we will see some more sub formula for this. Log a base b can be written as log a base x, log x base y, log y base z, log z base b, or log z base c, log c base b. Like that we can extend. Everyone can be written as in this form. Then finally we will get log a base b. So that is the third application. Once go through and write down. This is the first application. Log mn base a is equal to log m base a plus log n base a. Suppose question will come like this: log 6 or log 30 base 10 is given. So how we have to simplify this? Log 2 into 3 into 5 base 10, that is log 2 base 10 plus log 3 base 10 plus log 5 base 10. Suppose here it is log 5 by 2 base 10 is given, that is log 5 base 10 minus log 2 base 10. Like that we can apply the two formulas. Okay, so now we'll go through with fourth one. Fourth one, log a power m base b is equal to m log a base b. M log a base b. So let log a base b is equal to x, then a is equal to b power x, that is exponential form. So b power x is equal to a. Then powers of LHS and RHS rise into m. That means b power x whole power m is equal to a to the power of m. Now it is b power mx is equal to a to the power of m. So it is going to be compared with a power x is equal to n. Then what is its logarithmic form? Log n base a is equal to x. So x replaced by mx, base a is b, and n is a power m. Compare with these two, then we can write mx is equal to log a power m base b. So what is m? X. What is x? Log a base b. So m log a base b is equal to log a power m base b. So whenever log a power m base b comes, suppose log 32 base 10 is there. So while simplifying, it is 2 power 5 base 10. So 5 log 2 base 10. Suppose log 64 base 10 is given. In terms of 2 power 6 base 10, that is 6 log 2 base 10. It is log 4 cube base 10. So log 3 log 4 base 10. Also it can be written as log 8 square base 10, that is 2 log 8 base 10. So these are the applications of log a power m base b. Now see fifth result. Log a base a is equal to 1. So it can be considered easily. A power 1 is equal to a. Sixth result, log 1 base a is equal to 0. So a power 0 is equal to 1. And seventh result, log a power m base a is equal to, by using fourth result, it is m log a base a, that is equal to m times of 1, that is m. Now we'll see one example here. Log 216 base 6, that is log 6 power 3 base 6 is equal to 3 log 6 base 6. So log 6 base 6 is 1. So 3 times of 1. Okay. That is seventh result. So now we'll see eighth result. Log a power m base b power n is equal to m by n log a base b. M by n log a base b. So how we have to derive this? Log a power m base b power n. By taking third result, once go through here, log a base b or log a base b, log a base c. It can be written as log a power m base c by log b power n base c. By using this result, log a power m base c by log b power n base c. Now it is in the form of fourth result. So it is m log a base c by n log b base c. Now it is in the form of third result. So that is m by n log a base p. Once go through here the results: second one, first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, seventh one, and eighth one. These are the derivations. So now we will see ninth one, log a power m base a power n, that is equal to m by n log a base a. You know log a base a 1, that is equal to m by n. Suppose we have to verify one example here. Log 729 base 81 log 9 cube base 8 square, that is equal to 9 square, log 9 base 9 is equal to 3 by 2, or else log 3 power 6 base 3 power 4. So 6 by 4 log 3 base 3. 6 by 4 means 3 by 2. So that is about ninth result and its example. We will see 10th result. A power log m base a is equal to m. What do you observe here? Exponential base and logarithmic base are same. So it can prove easily by taking log m base a is equal to x, then m is equal to a power x, m is equal to a power x. What is x? Log m base a. So log m base a. For example, 3 to the power of log 4 base 9 is there. So how we have to simplify this? 3 to the power of 2 square base 3 square. So that is 3 to the power of 2 by 2 log 2 base 3. 2 by 2 gets cancelled. Then what is the result? 3 to the power of log 2 base 3. Exponential base and logarithmic base are same. So its result is 2. Suppose 3 to the power of 5 to the power of or 25 power log root 7 base 5. So how we have to solve this question? 25 means 5 square whole to the power of log root 7 base 5, that is 5 to the power of 2 log root 7 base 5. Now it is in the form of which result? Fourth result, m log a base b. So by taking that 5 to the power of log root 7 whole square base 5, exponential base and logarithmic base are same. So root 7 whole square, that is equal to 7. So these are the main formulae in logarithms and its applications. Once go through that. And one more one based on third one, the third result only, log a base b is equal to log a base a is equal to log a base b into log b base a, that is equal to 1. So if necessary log a base b comes, if necessary it can be written as 1 by log b base a, as well as log b base a, if necessary it can be written as log a base b. Means these two are reciprocal to each other or multiplicative inverse to each other because their product is 1. So these are the main results. These 11 results are very particular to solve any type of logarithmic simplifications. Once go through it properly, and already in our next sessions, in our next videos, we will discuss about logarithmic inequalities. So x is equal to 2 to the power of 4, 16, right? So in the same way, see two more questions. Log x base 3 plus log x base 8 plus 9 plus log x base 729 is equal to 3. Then simplify. Log x base 3 plus log x base 9 plus log x base 27 plus log x base 729 is equal to 6. Now these two have to be solved. So log x base 3 plus, it is 1 by 2 log x base 3, because x power 1 base 3 square, that is in the form of log a power m base b power n, m by n log a base b, plus 1 by 6 log x is equal to 3. So who is in common? Log x base 3. Then 1 plus 1 by 2 plus is equal to 3. So log x base 3, LCM 6. 6 plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 3. So log x base 3 is equal to 3 into 6 by 10. So x is equal to, what will gets here? 1 2 2 2 3s 5s. So 9 by, so 3 power 9 by 5. That's the required answer. Now come to here. Log x base 3 plus log x base 9 plus log x base 27 plus it is 1 by 2 log x base 3, 1 by 3 log x base 3, 1 by 6 log x is equal to 6. So log x base 3 of 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6 is equal to 6. What about 6? Perfect number. 6 perfect number. So if you will take a perfect number, what about the sum of factors of their reciprocals? Sum of reciprocals of factors. For a perfect number, sum of reciprocals of its factors is, what is perfect number? Sum of factors is twice that number. That is perfect number. If you will take reciprocals of the factors of perfect number, what is their sum? Log x base 3, 6 plus 3 plus 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So log x base 3 is equal to 6 into 6 by 12 is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3 power 3, that is 27. Log x base 3, log x base 4, log x base 5 is equal to log x base 3, log x base 4 plus log x base 4, log x base 5 plus log x base 5, log x base 3. So let it be A, B, C. Then A into B into C is equal to AB plus BC plus CA. By taking ABC in that side, by ABC. AB by ABC 1 by C, BC by ABC 1 by A, CA by ABC 1 by B. And you know A is log x base 3, 1 by A is log 3 base x. Similarly 1 by B log 4 base x, log 5 base x. Is of the form log A base m, log B base m, log C base m in summation. That is log ABC base m, 3 into 4 into 5 base x. So 60 is equal to x power 1. And log x base 2 plus log x base 3 is equal to 10 by 3. That is equal to log y base 2 plus log 2 base y. Now we have to find x plus y where x not equal to y. So log x base 2 plus, it can be written as 1 by log x base 2. If it is 3, log y base 2 is 1 by 3 because these two are not equal. X, y are not equal. So log x base to 3, then log y base to 1 by 3. Making x as subject, x is equal to 2 power 3, y as subject, y is equal to 2 power 1 by 3. Now see, log root x is equal to 1 by 2 log 8. What is x value here? 8, because it is power 1 by 2. X power 1 by 2. Log x power 1 by 2. Half log x is equal to half log 8. Log y square 2 log y. 2 log y is equal to, what is the value? 2 log 2. So y is equal to 2. What is x plus y? 10. X plus y is 10. Now come to this question. Log x base a is equal to 6. Log x base a is equal to 6. Log 8x base 25a is equal to 3. So now what we have to find? A has to be find. Now x in terms of a. So what to be considered? X in terms of a. And then solve. So log 8x base k by log 25a base k is equal to 3, and log x base k by log a base k is equal to 6. So here x is equal to a power 6. Here 8x is equal to 25a power whole power 3. Now in the place of x, what we can take out? A power 6. So 8a power 6 is equal to 25 cube a power 3. So a power 6 by a power 3 is equal to 25 by 2 whole power 3. 3 times gets cancelled. So a cube is equal to 25 by 2 whole power 3. Then what is a value? 25 by 2. Okay. Now x is equal to 3 power 5. Y is equal to x power 8. So y is equal to x. What is x? 3 power 5 whole power 8. 3 power 40. Now come to this question. A into see, a by b is equal to log x base 10 power minus 2 by log x base 10 power minus 1. So what we'll get here? Minus 1 by 2 log x base 10 by minus 1 by 1 log x base 10. These two gets cancelled. So what remains here? 1 by 2. A by b is equal to 1 by 2. So a into 2 is equal to b into 1. Then what is b value in terms of a? 2a. In terms of a, 2a. Right. Now see next question. These two completed, huh? Log 3 base 30 is equal to a, log 5 base 30 is equal to b, log 32 base 30 in terms of a comma b we have to express. See, once go through here, what we have to express? Log 32 base 30. It is log 2 power 5 base 30. Log 2 power 5 base 30. It is 5 log 2 base 30. 5 log 2 base 30. Now 2 can be expressed in terms of 30. How we can express? 5 log 30 by 15 base 30. 30 by 15. That implies 5 log 30 base 30 minus log 15 base 30. So 5 times of log 30 base 30, 1 minus, it is log 3 base 30 plus log 5 base 30. 3 5s 15. Now 5 into 1 minus, what about log 3 base 30? A. Plus of minus minus log 5 base 30. So that is equal to log 32 base 30. So we have to express log 32 base 30 in terms of AB. That is 5 times of 1 minus A minus B. Now half log 11 plus 4 root 7 base 10 is equal to log 2 plus x base 10. 2 plus x base 10. So what is x? Right? It is half log means log root over 11 plus 2 root 4 into 7 base 10 is equal to log 2 plus x base 10. Understood here? It is 4. 2 into 2. 1 2 into square root, that becomes 2 square. 4. Okay. Half means whole power 1 by 2. That is square root. So both are with base 10. Since log a1 base x is equal to log a2 base x, implies and implied a1 is equal to a2. Right? So what about here? 4 plus 7, 4 into 7. So root 4 plus root 7 is equal to 2 plus x. Root 4 2. So then what is x value? Root 7. That's the required. Okay? Now log 5 minus root 24 is equal to 2 log root x minus root y. Root x minus root y. Then find xy. Xy is equal to what? Next, log 10 plus 6 root 3 is equal to 3 log x plus root y. Then what is xy? Okay? So this is by 2. Half log 5 plus root 24, 5 minus root 24 is equal to log root x minus root y. So log root over 5 minus, it is 2 root 6. 4 6, 2 root 6 is equal to log root x minus root y. Both are with same base. Both are with the same base. Means this one equal to this one. So it is 3 2s, it is 3 plus 2. So root 3 minus root 2 is equal to root x minus root y, because square root always should be positive. So what is xy? Who is there in the place of x? 3. In the place of y? 2. Now this is also same. 1 by 3 log 10 plus 6 root 3 is equal to log x plus root y. X plus root y. So it is log cube root 10 plus 6 root 3 is equal to log x plus root y. So cube root 10 plus 6 root 3 is equal to x plus root y. Now we are going to solve that cube root. Square root means directly we can find like this. Cube root means cubing on both sides. So what we'll get here? 10 plus 6 root 3 is equal to x cube plus 3xy plus 3x square root y plus y root y. That is a plus b whole cube. A cube x cube. 3a square b 3x square root y. 3a b square 3x root y whole square. Plus y cube root y whole cube. Root y into root y into root y. Root y into root y times of root y. Right. Now x cube plus 3xy is equal to 10. X cube plus 3xy is equal to, so let it be 1. Now consider cube root 10 plus 6 root 3 is equal to x plus root y. Cube root 10 minus 6 root 3 is equal to x minus root y. Then consider the product. Multiply these two. Then cube root a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square is equal to, here it is x square minus y. X square minus y. Then what we will get here? Cube root 100 minus 36 3s. 100 is equal to x square minus y. So cube root minus 2 whole cube is equal to x square minus y. 100 minus 108 minus 8 minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. So x square minus y is equal to minus 2. So what is y? X square plus 2. Let it be second equation. So now we are going to solve first equation and second equation. So x cube plus 3x into x square plus 2 is equal to 10. 4x cube plus 6x minus 10 is equal to 0. So now it is going to be factorized. Consider x is equal to 1. What we will get here? 1 plus 4 plus 6. 10 minus 10 satisfies. So x is equal to 1. So what is y? 3. So what is cube root now? X plus root y. So therefore cube root of 10 plus 6 root 3 is equal to 1 plus root 3. So that implies, what are the values of xy? 1 comma 3. That's the required solution. Write down all of you.